Hey, what's up, Amazon KDP sellers? I have a brand new puzzle type Shikaku. It literally means square in Japanese. And this is a puzzle type from the cluster of puzzles within Shogun Pro. Now, the object of the game is to divide the box, okay? And you can't have more cells than the number within the box. And you can only have one number in the box. Don't worry, you don't have to worry about this. You just have to create the puzzle and sell it to your end user, to your potential customer on sites like Amazon, KDP, or Etsy. So don't worry about the rules. They know how to play. But yeah, it's a logics game, and it's quite interesting. And you can change its complexity right in here. Grid size. So I go 25 to 25. It gets more and more difficult. Of course, you can change the trim. So if you wanna make another shikaku like that, you have it like that. Okay. If you want to go bulk, of course you can go bulk. We can make it very difficult. We can how many squares you want per page? Let's go with four. Sorry, let's go with four. And there you go, right? Very simple. And you can create your own book like that. We can create, I don't know, a book of 30 shikaku square, and you click generate, and boom, it's going to generate, and it should appear right here. And you have your entire, let's get rid of this top one here. You have your entire puzzle book done for you right here. Now you just export as PDF. Of course, the solutions will be in the back, set in 4 as well. Okay. But if you want to make things more interesting, you can go to story mode right here. Let's delete all these pages. Let's delete all these pages. Let's make it 6 by 6. Let's create a story. Let's get a random idea from the AI. Of course, this is an AI feature, Elite Kai. You need an Elite Kai for this to work. Okay, so a young bear. Let's call it a bear. Let's make our protagonist a bear. A young bear embarks on a high stakes journey across the forest canopy to recover a fallen star before the moon sets. That's pretty cool. Let's make this the age range 6 to 9, and let's have it create a book. So here we go. It's going to create a book. Once it's done, takes about 5 minutes to do. So keep your computer on. Go get yourself a sandwich, as Amazon KDP likes to say. If you ever uploaded a book on Amazon KDP, you'll know that they'll have these funny little prompts that pop up, and they'll tell you, hey, while you're waiting, why don't you eat a sandwich? Well, you can do that now. I'm going to pause right here and come back once it's done. All right. Here we go. We have our beautiful activity book. Here we go. Barnaby Bear looked up and saw a bright light streak across the sky. He started falling deep into the great forest. And we have the coloring book aspect, the image here. Then we go next to the next page. Help Barnaby plan his route through the first thicket of trees. And that's supposed to be the Shikaku puzzle. And then we continue on with his adventure, Shikaku puzzle, story, Shikaku puzzle. And of course, the Shikaku puzzle, as you can see, is intertwined with the story. And this, again, really cool activity book for youngsters. And yeah, that is what this story mode can do. Again, you need Elite Kai to release that portion of this puzzle. But yeah, I hope you liked this video. Make sure you stick around for the next one, where I show you another really cool puzzle that you can create and sell on Amazon KDP or on sites like Etsy. But anyways, see you in the next video. Be good, take care, and have a wonderful day.